Today in pet care, as time goes by, pets, just like people, start to age. And with age comes various health conditions and risks. In order to keep your pets in good condition, we get help from the experts. Veterinarians see many different pets every day. And as our dogs and cats start to age, it's important to know what symptoms are out of the ordinary.
Things like change in appetite, change in water intake, change in activity, all can be tip-offs for underlying diseases that could actually be treated, and they shouldn't just be assumed to be associated with their pet getting old.
These symptoms may result in a variety of diseases.
Diabetes, arthritis, cancer, kidney disease, and many of these conditions can be identified with a simple visit to the veterinarian or some simple blood testing.
Owners want what's best for their furry friends, so proper care is a necessity.
People need to remember that each year of their dog's life or cat's life is equal to somewhere between 6 and 8 years of a person's life. So when animals start to get older, people need to be a little more proactive in getting their annual exams done, making sure they get some geriatric screening done, just like a 50 or 60 or 70-year-old person would. We would like to do the same for our pets, and that's the best way to try to keep them healthy as they get older.
However, there's no simple fix when it comes to curing an aging animal.
Obviously, there is a financial cost associated with treating a pet, and that has to be taken into account, particularly when you have an older pet with an illness. That's a discussion that's best left between you and your veterinarian and the rest of your family.
It's best to know the facts about risks and recovery when helping your elderly pets.
Depending on the disease process, there are certain conditions that may take longer to heal. That can include surgery. That can include certain types of hormonal conditions, which if an animal is severely debilitated, may take weeks to months for an animal to get better. But just because an animal's old doesn't mean we don't encourage people to try to figure out what's wrong with their pet.
One of the most common ailments that comes with age is arthritis. But if you think taking Tylenol or Advil may help pets like it does you, think again. It may be poisonous for your animal. Dr. Block says that the simplest way to catch problems early on is by making sure they have an annual examination with their vet.